Hello, today I will show you how to change the color of only a part of an image. So over here, I'd like to change only the color of this flower, not the other flower and not the butterfly, only this flower. To do this, I'm going to use an adjustment layer. The layer for my image is here, and to create an adjustment layer, I click on this button right here. I click on it, and in this case, I'm going to select Hue Saturation. Let's say that I want my flower to be blue. First, I have to check the Colorize button, and I will drag this hue slider within the blue range. What happens now is that my whole image shifted to blue. That is not what I wanted. So why is my whole image turning blue? That's because my mask over here is completely white. Okay, so the adjustment I'm going to make will only affect the part of the image where the mask is white. The parts in black will be ignored. What I need is for the mask to be black and manually paint only this part of the flower. So I need to click on this button to display the mask options. Over here, we see my mask layer, and I click on this button to invert the colors, and the white becomes black. My foreground color is white, and the paintbrush tool is selected. My brush size is set around 40-45. I could even increase the size a little bit for now. I will use a smaller size later for the edges. What I will do now is paint the flower, and only what I'm painting is turning blue. So now making sure that the hardness is set to 0, I should use a smaller brush size. I just keep painting the petals everywhere and go as close to the edge as possible. Let's zoom a little bit. I'll now use a smaller brush for the edges. I keep painting on my mask, and it doesn't matter much if I go a little too far. I can just paint in black to fix my mistake. Look here, I painted too far. I just need to click here on the two arrows to invert the white and the black. I can also press the X key on my keyboard. It does the same thing. So now I use the black paint to cover the part where I made a mistake. I'll press the X key again to come back to white. Now I just keep painting everywhere like this. I can zoom some for a little bit more details. Okay, let's just stop here. That's good enough. Now that the flower is blue, I could very well change it to another color if I go back to the hue saturation panel. I could push towards the violets, the greens, the pinks. Let's bring it back to blue. I can change the saturation to give more punch to the blue. Brightness will make the color brighter or darker. Let's keep the brightness around the middle and push the saturation a little bit. That's it. Now if you look at my layer mask over here, you can see that the mask is black and the part that I painted is white. That pretty much covers it. Well, thanks for watching. Have fun.